Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to calculate return on investment on Fundbox Financing. To make smart decisions with your Fundbox credit, it's important to calculate the return on investment of each draw. This helps you to see whether the borrowed funds are helping your business grow or costing more than they earn. Let's get into it. The first step is going to be to know what you use the funds for. Now, before calculating return on investment, you want to identify the specific purpose of the Fundbox draw. Is it for buying inventory, running ads, paying suppliers, or fulfilling a large order? This helps you to connect the loan to the revenue it generated. And step two is to calculate the total cost of the draw. Fundbox shows your total repayment when you take a draw. So the formula is the total cost is equal to total repayment minus the amount drawn. For example, if you draw $5,000 with a repayment of 5,300, then the cost is 300. Step 3 is to measure the return. Now, estimate how much profit or revenue that funding generated. Be realistic and exclude costs unrelated to the draws. For example, 5,000 in ad spend leads to 7,000 in new sales, then the product cost is 2,000 while the gross profit is 5,000. Step 4 is to use the return on investment formula. The return on investment formula is net return minus cost of financing divided by the cost of financing. From above, the return on investment is 5,000 minus 300 divided by 300. This means that your draw generated a return to over 15 times the cost of borrowing, which of course is very positive. Step 5 is to compare with other funding options. Use this return on investment calculation to compare Fundbox with credit cards, bank loans, invoice factoring. This shows you which option delivers the best return per dollar borrowed. By regularly calculating return on investment on Fundbox Financing, you can ensure you're borrowing strategically, not just out of urgency. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.